William, where are we going? You're not sure? No. Okay. You excited?
Yeah, very excited.
I'm sure you are. Have your permission? Okay. Now we can go. Hello everyone, my name is Mark, and you are?
I'm William.
Who are you?
I'm your brother.
He is, yeah. How many videos have you been in?
Like 3?
Probably 3, yeah.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
We're doing weird photos here.
We're doing postmodernism photography. I know I sound enthusiastic. It's because it's for a school project and I have to do it. I should have done it earlier this week, but I put it off and now William gets to be my model. Don't you?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go take some photos.
Woohoo.
In there. It's a video.
It's a video.
Yeah. Gotcha. Again. Very good. Wow. It's a video again. I'm vlogging. Oh, that would look good. Yeah, that'd look nice. Was that a lot of fun?
It was a lot of fun.
You gonna be a model?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. There it is. Good eyes.